Hello, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a healthy chicken stir-fry recipe. You will need a stir-fry pan, a bowl, and a saucepan. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 1/2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut into cubes, 2 carrots sliced, 1/2 cup of diced onion, 1/2 cup of diced celery, 1/2 red bell pepper sliced, 1 cup of sliced fresh mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 cup of low-fat chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Turn the burner on to medium-high heat. Heat the oils in the stir-fry pan. Add the chicken and cook for 5 minutes or until lightly browned. Put the chicken in a bowl. Now add the vegetables to the pan and cook for 5 minutes. When the vegetables are tender, add the chicken and cook an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to make the sauce. Combine the soy sauce, Hoisin sauce, chicken broth, and cornstarch in a small saucepan. Stir until the cornstarch is dissolved. Place it on the burner and heat until thick. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables and serve over cooked brown rice. And that is a healthy chicken stir-fry recipe.